Hello guys, in this part we learn C# data types. A data type specifies the size and type of variable values. It is important to use the correct data type for the corresponding variable to avoid errors, to save time and memory, but it will also make your code more maintainable and readable. The most common data types are in this image. Numbers. Number types are divided into two groups: integer types and floating point types. Integer types stores whole numbers, positive or negative, without decimals. Valid types are int and long. Which type you should use depends on the numeric value. Floating point types represents numbers with a fractional part containing one or more decimals. Valid types are float and double. The int data type is the preferred data type when we create variables with a numeric value. Int my num equal 11. Console.writeLine my num. Control F5 11. To know the lowest value for int, use int.meanValue. Console.writeLine int.meanValue. And for now the most value for int, use int.maxValue. Console.writeLine int.maxValue. Control F5 and mean and max. Line data type used when int is not large enough to store the value. My line equal 100. Console.writeLine my line. Control F5 and 100. To know the lowest value for line, use line.meanValue. Console.writeLine line.meanValue. And for know the most value for line, use line.maxValue. Console.writeLine line.maxValue. Control F5 and here mean and max. You should use a floating point type whenever you need a number with a decimal. The float and double data types can store fractional numbers. My double equal 10.10 and my float equal 8.9. For float type, you should put f in end of number. Console.writeLine my double. Console.writeLine my float. Control F5 and here. To know the lowest value for float, use float.meanValue. Console.writeLine float.meanValue. And for know the most value for float, use float.maxValue. Console.writeLine float.maxValue. And to know the lowest value for double, use double.meanValue. Console.writeLine double.meanValue. And console.writeLine double.maxValue. Control F5 and here results: float and double. A Boolean data type is declared with a bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. Bool is C# fun equal true. Bool is fish tasty equal false. console.writeLine is C#fun, console.writeLine is fish tasty. Control F5. True here and false. Boolean values are mostly used for conditional testing, which you will learn more about in a later chapter. The char data type is used to store a single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes like char my char 1 equal A and char my char 2 equal B. Console.writeLine and console.writeLine my char 2. Control F5, A and B. The string data type is used to store a sequence of characters or text. String values must be surrounded by double quotes. Example, string name equal Mahdi. Console.writeLine name and control F5. Here is Mahdi.